What's up, YouTube? Black Sissa here, Black Sissa's Content Corner. Today we have more sneakers. It's been a while, but I'm back. Boom. This is what we got. What do you think they are? I'm gonna guess.
Nope.
That's not. Later on in the video, we'll show the giveaway shoes, Retro 4's I'm giving away for 1,000 subscribers. For those who are interested, make sure you comment that you're in, subscribe. Look at those. That's a box. It's kind of cool. Is that MJ? Look at that MJ. You can barely see it, but there's MJ there. So these are the Retro 4 Rare Airs. They're still selling. People are still buying them right now. They didn't sell out. Not even close. Retro 4 Rare Airs. Let's get the tag out, the thumbnail. These are nice. I like the leather. Once again, we got the off-white on here. I'm skeptical about that, but at the same time, if you wear them enough, it's going to be that color anyways. Might as well just jump to the chase. Here's a cool feature. Look at this. Interchangeable tongues. I got a homie who has a brand that he's trying to make called Tongue Out. And this is kind of the same concept. That's kind of cool. Maybe they're copying him sideways. These are pretty nice. I like these. Sleek, solid. I'm actually wearing some blue to match them. Should have wore some red. I like these. What's the other shoe look like? Oh, another interchangeable thing. Some shoelaces, extra shoelaces. What do they give you? Those are kind of cool. Some blue ones. Should have given you some red ones too, but whatever. I got 2.5. There you have it. The Rare Air Retro 4. Call me crazy, but I've never wore a pair of Retro 4s before. So one of these days, I'm gonna sport a pair. These particular ones probably won't be worth anything no time soon because people are still buying them. They're still heavily stocked. But I like to think of myself as a Retro 4 connoisseur fan. Kind of why I got it. Yeah. Now here, this is part 2. Black Sissa here, Black Sissa's Content Corner. In case I split this up in 2 pieces. The giveaway, the Retro 4, size 10, wet cements. Giving these bad boys away to whoever I choose after I hit 1,000 subscribers randomly. All you gotta do to enter, shoelaces too, is subscribe, comment, you're in. I'll put you on the raffle. Hopefully by the end of the year we can get there. I'm almost halfway there with subscribers, so maybe at the halfway point at 500 I'll give away something else. Looking around, I got a samurai sword I might be giving away at 500. That'll just be a random person who's in the comments or whatever. You don't gotta do anything special. You're already involved in that, so just be like a little sneak peek. And then whoever wins the sword has the possibility of winning the shoes too. So there's that. But I appreciate you all coming out to see me. Black Sissa here, Black Sissa's Content Corner. Stay fitted and happy. We out.